Our dirt's really bad around here, so what we do is make our own compost because it's a lot cheaper that way and we're in control of it. So we've got a couple of goats. We use the goat manure and the straw out of their pen that we rake up. Got There's cow pies around here all over our property because of the free ranging cattle. So, and then we got the food scraps, our vegetable food scraps that we compost in that plastic barrel over there. And so mix all that up together and just come up with our own homemade compost that we mix in with the soil to keep nutrients in it, and it doesn't cost anything and just a little work, and we know what we got. We know that when you buy it at the store, you're not real sure. You read the label, but you weren't there. You don't really know what they put in there. So this way we're in control of everything, and we want to do everything as natural as we possibly can. So let's mix up some compost. Cleaning up the goat pen. Rake all this stuff up, and as you can see, there's a lot of goat manure in this dirt, and then the straw and the hay that we feed them all mixed together and with a little dirt. Get a lot of this kind of stuff all over the ground. I just rake it up, get that square nose shovel, scoop it up, put it in the gorilla cart, and haul it off to the compost pile in the garden. Luther's getting some rest. He had a busy night last night. And this is where our food scraps go to compost it. Keep it wet and roll it around in, every couple of days. Mix it up and take some of that and bring it over here to this compost. You can kind of mix it up together depending on what you're planting, what you're Griff. There's Mabel. You ready to help me out, Gomer? Come on, let's get this cart to the garden. All right, let's find some compost in here. We're gonna mix it up. See if I can stir it up a little bit. Get something like that. That looks pretty good. It will all compost eventually in the dirt anyway. And as it composts, it'll be good nutrients for the plants. There's goat manure in here and composting straw and hay and all kinds of goodies. We're gonna mix that in with the stuff I got out of that compost barrel mix all that together. All right, let's do that one. Let's plant some snow peas. That's all you got to do. Just look for things around your yard and you can compost up, keep it wet and warm for a month or so, maybe a little more, but let it get composted up some and throw your vegetable scraps in there and all, and you'd be surprised how good that works. We've been doing it now for several years. Our dirt just gets better and better every year, and we're growing a lot of really good vegetables. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.